You have impressions and your ad is showing, but nobody is clicking. So there is a very common problem in Google Ads. Where is the why it happens and how to fix it? Okay. So reason number one is your headline is boring. So what the classification, what the types of boring headline? So as like if your headline says best plumber in New York, quality roof repair, top rated roofing company, affordable roof replacement, hail damage repair, cleaning service in Dallas, this type of generic headline, every computer says the same thing. So nobody clicks on generic headline, nobody clicks on boring ads. Okay, so always must be ignore boring headlines. And reason number two is you are targeting the wrong keywords. So what's the meanings of wrong keyword? Suppose you select keyword, but actually this is not matching with your service. This is actually attract the dire job seekers and also who want to free service. As like you select short tail keywords, broad-based keywords. So broad-based keywords show your ad to people who are not really interested in what you sell, who are not really interested in what you service. So they see the ad and they just ignore, they skip it. Why? Because they want job, they want it free, they want to know information about your service. Reason 3 is your ad position is too low. If your ad is in position 5 or 6, so most users never scroll the part, they search and they click the top 3 results and then stop. Okay, reason 4, your description does not match with the person is searching for. So if someone searches emergency AC repairs and your description talks about affordable AC service, this is disconnect, this is irrelevance, it is not relevance. So how to fix it? So how to fix this problem? Step 1, check your average position. If it is below 3, raise your bids. So how can you raise bids? Suppose for a keyword your competitors set the bids as like $5 and you set the $4. So Google shows the ad you compete for your competitor, not you. So you just increase your bids as like $6, then Google shows you ads. Okay, so if your position is below, always just raise your bids. And step number 2 is use the exact search term in your headline. If this search 4-hour plumber, your headline should say 24-hour plumber, and also add a call to action as like call now. Okay, and step 3 is add a strong city as like call now, get a free quote, get your plumber today, and book your friend today, book today. So this simple words increase your city significantly. And the last step is check your keywords. Pause broad-based keyword and always try to use phrase-based or exact keyword. I always use as like 60% phrase-based keyword and 40% exact keyword. So what is your CTR benchmark? Normally searches should have at least 3 to 5% CTR. Sometimes we get in real life CTR as like 10 to 20%, sometimes 30 to 40%. So it depends on, but searches should have at least 3 to 5% CTR. If yours is below 2%, your ad copy needs urgent work. Okay, so what is the pro tips? Always include the main keyword in headline, and Google bolds the matching words, and bold words catch the eye immediately. Okay.